Middle school is a thrilling time, especially when you have a crush you'd like to impress. To catch her eye, be authentic and showcase your true self, as girls appreciate uniqueness and confidence. Take care of your appearance by practicing good hygiene and dressing in a way that reflects your personal style. Remember, kindness and respect are key. Girls are drawn to gentlemen who treat others well, so be polite and supportive. Work on self-improvement and conversation skills, perhaps by learning a new hobby, and focus on building a friendship with her first. Spend time together. Ask her about her interest and also get to know her friends to create a positive impression. By being genuine and thoughtful, you'll increase your chances of not only getting her attention, but also winning her heart.